Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you. I'm super excited about it. This is probably one of my favorite boxes. I've only gotten 3. This is my 3rd one, but I'm really enjoying them so far. So today we are going to unbox the BeautyCon BFF box. This spring seasons box Grav3yardgirl helped create. I know this probably box has been unboxed like so many times on YouTube. I know Grav3yardgirl actually did an unboxing as well, but she's super excited about it, so I just wanted to do an unboxing video as well. So the first thing you see when you open the box is this tissue paper and stuff falling out. I have already opened the box and looked at all the products, but if you have watched any of Grav3yardgirl's videos, you know that she likes these creepy little baby dolls, so the tissue paper was very fitting. So as we open it, the first thing that it comes with is the micro mini beauty blender, the 2 of them. I do have these already and I really like them. They're good for spot concealing and getting under your eyes and things like that. The second thing in the box is the Garnier Skin Active Clean Plus Purifying Oil-Free Cleansing Towelettes. And these are the charcoal ones, and I really like their charcoal line. My skin does well with it, so I really like them. The next thing is the Rock Nudes by Maybelline, and it is a very pretty eyeshadow palette. It would be really good for creating a smoky eye. The second thing in the box are these hair ties. They're tie-dye, and I have a set of pink ones like this, and I just think they're really nice on your hair. Very, gentle, and it helps avoid breakage. The next thing is a gift card for Dolls Kill, which is actually pretty cool. It's a $20 gift card for Dolls Kill. I've never actually ordered anything off of their website before, but I will definitely take a look. I know I've seen things that I like, but their prices are a little high for me personally, but I will definitely take a look at that. The next thing is a Pacifica Power of Love Natural Lipstick in the color Sweet 1. I've actually never had a Pacifica lipstick before, so let's do a swatch of it. And it's a very mauve color, very pretty. It's actually, yeah, it's not really similar to the color I'm wearing now. For a moment it looked similar, but this is more of a berry color. The next thing is the NYX Matte Finishing Spray. And I've actually never tried the NYX sprays before. I like the Urban Decay one, but I would definitely try this because I do like my makeup to stay matte, even though it doesn't look matte now because my skin just likes to be oily. The next thing is this NCLA designer nail wraps, and these are really cool actually. I think that she helps create these. Yeah, this has her signature, but they're really fun patterns. Like there's goldfish here, there's a baby doll head. It's hard to see. This one looks kind of like fish scales, or probably actually gator scales. That would make more sense, but they're just really unique nail wrap things. I really like these kind of things. I've used the Sally Hansen ones before, and they stand for a really long time, which is cool. So the next thing is the Murad Essential C Day Moisture. And I do like the Murad line. I use the one for acne, and I do want to brighten up my skin, so that will be very nice. The next thing is the Glam Glow Youth Mud Mask, and I've never tried a Glam Glow mask before, so I'm excited to try that out. I like the Bazia one, that like peel off one, but I've heard good things about the Glam Glow. And then the next thing is the They're Real Benefit Mascara. I have tried this as well. Honestly, it's not my favorite mascara, but it is good mascara. And then the last thing in the box is a little I cannot talk. Is a little keychain of a baby doll, which is very fitting for Grav3yardgirl. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really am excited about these products, and I really like the BeautyCon box. You get 4 of them each year. They come seasonally. I think it's like $24, maybe. It's somewhere around that, but you are getting it, again, 4 times a year, and you get a lot more products than, say, the $10 ones that you can purchase as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye, guys.